We are in Tamarac, new listing of ours, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with a garage. Great updates inside and golf course view in the back. Come on, let's take the tour. And there you have it, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with a garage, which is something super unique. Other notable features are impact glass throughout, updated kitchen and bathrooms, and you have in your backyard golf course view. What more could you ask for? All right, that's my time, so I want to wish you all good health and a happy home. Take care.